Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2010 Bobcat S250 K Series. This machine I've owned for probably 3.5 years. We just never got time to really get through it. We finally took that time, went through it, serviced it. We did paint a good bit of the machine. The machine belonged to an asphalt company. It is a 2-speed high flow cab heat air. This would be the very last of those machines. And the powder coat lifted on it, and we did. We went through it. It is a very good running old machine. This is pre-admission stuff, 4,721 hours off the top of my head. It is keyless, cab heat air, power quick attach, high flow, 2-speed. We've done a full service on it, all filters and oils. We have 4 lift hoses we're going to change yet. We have ordered, we're going to put on. They go right here. I want to do that. Mechanically, it is a great older machine, and we don't get much in this price range anymore. We had resealed all the lift-in tilt cylinders. I put brand new Galaxy 12/16/5 heavy-duty tires on it. New 74-inch heavy-duty CID bucket, not some tin can bucket like you see a lot of the guys putting on. But we're going to walk you around the machine, show you about it, and run it here for you. In the back door's in good shape, other than there was a ding here in this door. It still opens and shuts good. I did put brand new light housings in the back. Going to be powered by a Kubota V. This should be a 3300 in these. Let's see something here, guys, so we're not telling somebody something wrong. Nope, 3800 in the later series. 4-cylinder turbo. These had no emissions on them. They did have an EGR valve up here, but it was nothing. You have no DPF, no urea, anything like that. These were 75 horsepower. We did put a new lift pump on, changed all the oils, went ahead, and again, it's fully serviced. We did engine oil, fuel, hydraulic, air filters, put a new battery in it. Underneath here, you're going to have your cooling system, your hydraulic cooler, radiator, cooling packs underneath here. Everything there, good shape, no blow by, runs really good, starts good. Of course, the Kubota motor, you know, I've owned some of these with 15,000, 16,000 hours on them that come off of farms that they were just bulletproof old machines. Again, new tires all the way around, hydraulic oil's where it's supposed to be. It is a 2-speed. All the glasses in the cab. Up front, you do have your power bob attach. We went through the quick attach. It's good. Auxiliary hydraulics, and it does have high flow. It is true high flow. Cab plates are on the bottom where they're supposed to be. The windshield is good and complete. Wiper, I did end up putting a new arm, new wiper motor, everything there on that so that it was complete. We did put both seat cushions in, new seal in the top, inner and outer cabin filters. Pedals are in good shape. It is a keyless machine. And we'll take you over here. 4721. Tack, volts, no error codes. We're going to go over here. Active warnings. Got no active warnings. Vitals. Here's all your vitals as far as oil pressures and stuff. Get back out of that. It is a high flow. That does light up. There's your standard flow circuit. Up here is going to be your cab, heat, air, your wiper, washer. It is a 2-speed machine. See there, 2-speed on and off. Cab, heat, air all works. Really a good old machine. I like these old machines. They're just kind of bulletproof old skid loaders. We did put a new door seal on the door. I'm going to fire it up here, run it around. It does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So this series, because it's a 2-speed and this one, this would be the last of them. This actually has a hydraulic parking brake on it versus the old parking brake wedge style setup that they had. Pretty tough old machines, these old 250s. Hard to come by anymore. If you do find them, 6, 7, I was looking the other day, 6, 7, 8,000 hours on them. Just tough old skid loaders back when they manufactured something. Not saying the new stuff don't last that way today, but there was just definitely some things about these old machines. It was just some of the best stuff ever made. That Kubota engine, truthfully, cannot be beat. Dollar for dollar, it is just an amazing old motor. Boom's actually still pretty good and tight in the old machine. And that's what this guy did. We actually ended up with it. I had a milling machine that come with it. It's sold separate. It's pretty cool. I just dropped my cell phone down in underneath the one pedal. That worked out pretty nice. And 2-speed travel and out of 2-speed. And if you guys give me one quick second, you're good. Drop the cell phone into the pedal, you're good. Sorry for that. Two-speed. Single speed. And 2-speed. Our quick attach all works. Does have good heat in it. Always look to make sure those hook. I'm gonna lock the parking brake on. It holds, it releases. That's what it's supposed to do. Guys, if you're looking for a good old machine, these are a good old machine. Good heat in it. There it is. 2010, very last of that generation. This is right before they went to your M series stuff like a 770 or 750. Cab heat air, 2-speed power attach, standard controls, new tires, serviced, going through. A very good old machine. If you're looking for a good, tough, proven machine here, something to take a look at, and we feel this is a very good older machine. If you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. If we can help you in any way, just give us a call. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. Thank you very much. Take care.